In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix NotebookLM Audio Overview not generating Windows. If you're on Windows and the Audio Overview button just spins, never starts, or never finishes, don't worry. There isn't a single magic fix, but there are a few reliable patterns you can follow to get it working again. Many users find it's either a temporary hiccup or something about the notebook setup that's getting in the way. First, give it time. Audio overviews can take several minutes to generate, especially if your sources include long PDFs or lots of text. After you click Generate, let it run for at least 5 to 10 minutes before assuming it's stuck. While you wait, keep the NotebookLM tab open and avoid closing your browser. On Windows, make sure your device doesn't go to sleep during the process. If you're on a laptop, plug it in so it doesn't pause the task. A spinning indicator can be normal for a while with large content, so patience here can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting. If waiting doesn't help, try a smaller notebook. Create a brand new notebook with only 1 or 2 small sources, such as a short PDF or a concise text file. Then try generating the audio overview in that fresh notebook. If it succeeds there, you've learned something crucial. The original notebook either has too many sources or one of them is causing the generation to hang. This simple isolation test helps you pinpoint whether the issue is overall size or a specific document. If the small notebook fails too, it's more likely a temporary service issue, so circling back later often resolves it. If you already tried to generate audio and it got stuck, clear out the stuck attempt before you try again. Go to the Studio tab in NotebookLM, find the existing Audio Overview entry, and delete it using the trash icon. That removes any lingering, incomplete job that could be blocking a fresh run. After deleting, click Generate Again to start clean. This quick reset is often enough to unblock a stalled overview without touching your sources. To recap, let the generation run for 5 to 10 minutes, test with a minimal notebook to isolate size or source issues, and remove any stuck overview from the Studio tab before regenerating. Most cases resolve with one of these approaches. If it still won't cooperate, it's usually temporary, so give it a little time and try again later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your audio overview up and running.